You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Hello. Alright guys, can you do me a massive favor? Can you do me a big favor? Can you follow me on Instagram? Jamaica_worst_gamer. We're trying to grow the Instagram also. So please give me a follow on Instagram. Link will be in the description also. Run the intro. Hey, yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Move. And today, guys, we are with Vybz Kartel again. Yeah, man, the teacher, Adija Palmer himself. With a song called, the song name, Tight Pum Pum. Yes, that's the name of the song. Yes? All right. So, it's an old school one. This one from about 2001, 2000 and few. We are black then. Yeah, them this. So we're going to jump in that one and hear what I did have to say back then. Yeah, and see where we can dissect and figure out from it. So let's go. Yeah. Vybz Kartel with the song named Tight Pum Pum. Let's go.
Yeah. Up to the time.
Classic.
You know it's Kartel. My girl, the pum pum look like it starts swell. Seriously, still baby. If it doesn't look right now, I'm really old.
Who remember that one, yeah?
Leading the breast them real cute.
Who remember that one, yeah? We are the real breast them real cute. What one?
Tight pum pum, me we niggle them. Clean breasts, me we juggle and dribble them. How it feel when me nibble them. You're happy.
Pull up! Yo!
Why?
Pull up! Let's go!
What teacher just say?
Yeah.
What teacher just say?
Up to the time.
Ladies, are your time? Yes,
my
man.
girl, the pum pum look like it starts swell.
Hey! Ladies!
Seriously, still baby. If it doesn't
Look
look
at the
right
tight pum pum girl them. The stay good girl them. Yeah. No matter how your face look, as long as the pum pum good. That's all matters. Go watch.
Tight pum pum, me we niggle them. Clean breasts, me we juggle and dribble them. How it feel when me nibble them. You have the sensitive nipple them.
Tight pum pum girl, me we miggle them. Yeah, them miggly mean. Gonna them miggle. Huh? Clean breasts, me we juggle and dribble them. Juggle and dribble that.
Leading the breast them real cute.
Juggle and dribble. Why go? Ladies.
Tight pum pum, me we niggle them. Clean breasts, me we juggle and dribble them. How it feel when me nibble them. You have the sensitive nipple them. When me roll up my weed with a little blend. Tender touch make you spin like nickel them. Tongue in the ears and a tickle them. Come ride me like a bicycle. Take on the cocky. When you come you vibrate like a Nokia. In a pussy cocky print like a photocopier. You see, you never been happier. But we not know the law. But me keep my girls then happy car. Me feed them pambakas and pinch up the batty jar.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again!
See them pambakas and pinch up the batty jar. Yeah, grimy.
Yeah.
That is abuse.
Up to the time. You know it's called
That is abuse.
My girl, the pum pum look like it starts swell.
But the girl them like it rough.
Seriously,
Follow me.
still baby. If it doesn't look right now, I'm really old.
Classic teacher.
Leading the breast
Follow
them
me.
real cute.
Listen.
Tight pum pum, me we niggle them. Clean breasts, me we juggle and dribble them. How it feel when me nibble them. You have the sensitive nipple them. When me roll up my weed with a little blend. Tender touch make you spin like nickel them. Tongue in the ears and a tickle them.
Tender touch make you spin like nickel then. Spin like a coin. You know when you flip a coin and it just spin? Yes. Tender touch make you spin like nickel then.
A little blend. You have the sensitive nipple them. When me roll up my weed with a little blend. Tender touch make you spin like nickel them. Tongue in the ears and a tickle them.
Tongue in the ears, baby.
Take on the cocky. When you come you vibrate like a Nokia.
3310. When you come you vibrate like a Nokia. Yes. 3310. 8310 too.
Like a bicycle, take on the cocky. When you come, you vibrate like a Nokia. In a pussy cocky print, like a photocopier. You see, you never be happier, but we not no Adela. But me keep my girls them happy car. Me feed them pambakas and pinch up the batty jar.
But we not no Adela. But we not no Adela. No. No. But we not no Adela. Me keep my girls them happy. Me feed them pambakas and pinch up the batty jar. Pinch. Let's say it then, ladies. Rough sex.
You see, you never
Rough
be
sex.
happier, but we not no Adela. But me keep my girls them happy car. Me feed them pambakas and pinch up the batty jar.
Rough sex.
That's a Adela. You see, tight pum pum me we niggle them. Clean rest we juggle and dribble them. How it feel when me nibble them. You have the sensitive nipple them. When me roll up my weed with a little blend. Tender touch make you spin like nickel them. Tongue in the ears and a tickle them.
Second verse, watch it.
She get high like a jet plane. She never know my foreplay affect brain.
She get high like a jet plane. She never know my foreplay affect brain. Fuck up her heaven, fuck up her head, fuck up her meds.
Capacity, she get high like a jet plane. She never know my foreplay affect brain. Girlfriend, don't you love it when me icky the neck vein?
She love it.
Make love, me no make pain. Let's play the breast game.
Cartel make love, we no make pain. Let's play the breast game.
Neck vein. Cartel make love, me no make pain.
Let's play the breast game.
Me mean guess game where the
Let's play the breast game. Oh, sorry. My bad. Did I say that? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just thinking about sex. Let's play the guess game. That it mean, yes.
Cartel make love, me no make pain. Let's play the breast game. Me mean guess game where the president for US name. Me you go rub your foot button while you stress brain. She can't explain. You see it?
Tight pum pum, me we
niggle them. Clean breasts, me we juggle and dribble them. How it feel when me nibble them. You have the sensitive nibble them. When me roll up my weed with a little blend. Tender touch make you spin like nickel them. Tongue in the ears and tickle them. Yeah, me get a girl from Don Corleone. She tell me she feeling for me only. She love it when me cock her up and ride her like a pony.
I saw she love it. Cock her up and ride her like a pony. She like it. Gunman in she old. She like that. Giddy up, mama.
Yeah, me get a girl from Don Corleone. She tell me she feeling for me only. She love it when me cock her up and ride her like a pony. She said a long time she should've known me. She run money bad because she independent and have a pro job. She says she don't.
She run money bad because she independent and have a pro job. She independent. She run money. She have her money, so she will spend for her man to get her cocky. Nothing wrong if a girl wants to spend to get the wood. Nothing wrong if a girl wants to spend to get the hood. Nothing wrong.
Love it when me cock her up and ride her like a pony. She said a long time she should've known me. She run money bad because she independent and have a pro job. She says she don't vex with me, although me treat her so bad. She says she prefer give me a blowjob.
She don't vex with me even though I treat her bad. I treat her badly, very bad.
She run money bad because she independent and have a pro job. She says she don't vex with me, although me treat her so bad. She says she prefer give me a blowjob. Tight pum pum me we niggle them. Clean breasts me we juggle and dribble them. How it feel when me nibble them. You have this sensitive nibble them. When me roll up my weed with a little blend. Tender touch make you spin like nickel them.
Tongue in my ears and I tickle them.
Come ride me like a bicycle then. Take on the cocky. When you come you vibrate like a Nokia. In a pussy cocky print like a photocopier. You see, you never been happier. But we not no Adela. But me keep my girls them happy car.
Me feed them pambakas and pinch up the batty jar.
That's a Adela. You see,
tight pum pum me we niggle them. Clean breast me we juggle and dribble them. How it feel when me nibble them.
You have the sensitive nipple them. When me roll up my weed with a little blend. Tender touch make you spin like nickel them. Tongue in the ears and I tickle them. Come ride me like a bicycle. She get high like a jet plane. She never know my foreplay affect brain. Girlfriend, don't you love it when you kick the neck vein? Come tell make love, me no make pain. Let's play the breast game. Me mean guess game. When the president for US name. Me a go rub your foot, but I'm white, you stress brain. She can't explain.
We not pull up. We not pull up.
Tight pum pum, me we niggle them. Clean breasts, me we juggle and dribble them. How it feel when we nibble them. When we roll up my weed with a little blend. Tender touch make you spin like nickel.
Bumbleclad, what more can I say? What more can I do over here, sir? I want to say, go on. Talk to me, no, man. Talk to me, no, man. What want to say? I'm going to rate them True Black freestyle, yeah. Them True Black Cartel, yeah. Them True not freestyle, them True Black Cartel, yeah. I'm going to rate them True Black song, yeah. Come on, man. Give me a break. Give me a break, man. Come on. What more can I do? Do the right. Just do the right. Please. Yeah, man. We're outside. Teach, I big up myself. Loud. Yes, man. Something for ladies, them. Up top.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a record.